Hello everybody, today we're going to be making one of my favorite desserts. I know I love a lot of favorites, but truly this is one of my favorites, and they are chocolate and biscuit balls, I guess we could call them. And we're going to be making them with Chef Lana, who is my aunt, and she has made so many other things on this channel, and you should go check them out because they are every single one is better than the next, and this is one of my favorite things, and I steal so many of them from her house. Don't tell her that. I guess she'll see this video, but anyways. So first you're going to start off with melting your butter into your sweet cream. The condensed milk, actually, sorry. The sweet condensed milk. And I eat that stuff up, bro. That is so good. Oh, I could just eat, this dish is done. Like, I could just eat the bowl and then be happy. I'm kidding, that's probably really not safe. Then you're going to also throw in your half cup of cocoa, and you're just going to want to mix that around. Make sure to get all of the dry ingredient into the condensed milk and butter mixture, and also make sure to melt your butter before putting it in the condensed milk so they can quickly mix together instead of there being lumps and all of that. And then yeah, you could take your time adding the cocoa so it's not just like a huge poof when you start mixing it, like, you know, when you have all of your dry ingredients in the mixer and you turn it on and it just goes crazy. So yeah, let's minimize that, I suppose. And then you're gonna move on to crushing your biscuits. This is probably my brother's favorite thing to do if he was assigned to make this. It's, you know, you could take out your anger on these biscuits right here. Very nice. And I mean, she's using this like actual like spices grinder that would, you know, probably be used for this. I bet you could also use your hands or throw it in a food processor, but I guess this is a very down-to-earth way of doing it, you know, really get connected with the biscuits. Anyways, once those are done, you're just gonna go ahead and add the cocoa oh, and the sweet cream. Also, once again, I would like to apologize that my voice is a little bit sick still, because I'm recovering from being sick and losing my voice, and I want to thank my dad for doing a couple of voiceovers for me in English, so thank you so much to him for doing that. But I'm back in business for now. And yeah, you're just gonna go ahead and mix that. Using like the silicone spatula is really nice because it's easy to scrape everything off from the sides. And now once that looks the correct texture, you're gonna go ahead and start rolling them into balls. And then you're just gonna place all of those into the crushed up biscuit, or not all of them, but just a couple of them at a time. The ones that fit in the in your bowl. And then you're just going to want to turn it around over, like when you're making chicken tenders and you want to cover it with the biscuit coat, crumb coat, same thing, except we're doing it with chocolate balls. Yeah, so just go ahead and cover those up. And at this point, so I'm probably off screen here eating every single one that she's making, so the net total at the end for her is unfortunately going to be 0, and so this whole expedition was futile, unfortunately, because they're in my stomach now. I'm kidding, they're super good though. And yeah, you're just gonna go ahead and do that for all of them, and that's it. We hope you guys enjoy making these chocolate balls. They're really nice to serve at dessert or whenever anyone comes over. They're very small, but they're very good. That's about it. Happily chocolate balling. Bye!